How to upload Schedule C into TurboTax for LLC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is gather your Schedule C information. Before starting, collect your income details and your expenses. You also want to get your business details such as business name, address, employer identification number, and principal business activity code. Now open TurboTax. Make sure to sign into your account. Then you want to search for Schedule C, then select Jump to Link. Answer yes to did you have any self-employment income or expenses. If you already entered self-employment work and need to enter more, select Add another line of work. Now follow the on-screen instructions to enter your Schedule C. TurboTax doesn't allow direct upload of a pre-filed Schedule C. Instead, TurboTax generates Schedule C automatically as you input your business information, income, and expenses. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, then review and file. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.